Hello, guys. It is Learning O'Clock. In today's class, I shall be teaching the multiplication of a decimal number by one digit number with remaining. You can use this method to teach or explain to pupils in the lower basic classes. In my previous video, I've explained what a decimal number is and what a whole number is. You can check that on my page. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel to check that out at Tutor Veronica. Now let me solve this example. 3.5 times 4. This 3 here is a whole number. 0.5 is a decimal. A decimal is a number that begins with a point, just like this. This is 0.5, that's decimal number 0.5. While a whole number does not begin with a decimal, just like this 4 does not begin with a decimal point, no point before it, and this 3, there is no point before it. So 3.5 times 4. Let's go to the solution. And to the solution, I shall be using two methods to solve this. You can use either of the two methods. And here is the method 1. 3.5 times 4. As I earlier said, I said you can use this method to explain or teach pupils in lower basic classes. So I'll be solving this question as if I'm teaching pupils in lower basic classes. Therefore, I'll be counting in circles. This 4 times 5. I'll count 4 circles in 5 places. And here it is, my 4 circles in 5 places I'll add together. After counting together, my answer is 20. I'll write the last digits of my answer, which is 0 here. Just like this. And cancel the 0 out here. Like this, meaning I'm left with 2. So here I am left with 2. I'll go ahead to count my 4 in 3 places. And do not forget to put your point here. And that is the decimal point. Here are my 4 circles in 3 places. I'll go ahead to count together. And my answer is 12. But do not forget, I'm left with 2 here. So I'll add this 2 to this 12 and add together. This is 12, 13, 14. And my answer is 14. I'll write my 14 out here completely. There is only for me to write the last digit because there is no other number for me to multiply with 4. And here it is. My answer is 14.0. And in mathematics, when 0 is after a decimal point, the 0 means nothing. As you can see it here, this 0 is after a decimal point. This 0 means nothing, which makes my answer to be 14. So my final answer is 14. And to the second method, which is method 2, 3.5 times 4. Here is the solution. This 3.5, I'll repeat it 4 times. And this method is called a repeated addition. I'll now put addition sign here, just like this. Here, I'll count my 5 in 4 places, just like this, and add together. And my answer is 20. So the last digit here, which is 0, will be written here. I will cancel it out here, like this, meaning I'm left with 2. I'll put my decimal point here, just like this. Then count 3 in 4 places. These are my 3 circles in 4 places. After adding together, my answer is 12. So I'll add these 2 to this 12 to get my final answer. And 12, 13, 14. 14 is my final answer. I'll write it here. But note that whenever 0 is after a decimal point, the 0 means nothing, which makes my answer to be 14. Just like this. As you can see, I arrived at the same answer for both method 1 and 2. You can use any of this method. Did you learn? Please tell me the method you prefer in the comment section. Share, like, and follow my page for more. Bye.